Hey everyone, Dave Sports Cards here, back another break. I'm going to be doing another blaster box of 2014 Topps Gypsy Queen. But before I start, I have 6 spots left in my 2013 Bowman Sterling Baseball Group Break. You can find out the details by joining my group, Dave Sports Cards Collectors Hangout. Go ahead and you can either type in that address right there or just type that into the search bar. But ask to join, I'll accept, and from there, if you go through the posts a little bit, you'll see all the details of the group break. But there's only 6 spots left, so get in on it. But alright, on to the break. 2014 Gypsy Queen. Show you guys the odds. No focus. There we go. Alright. Let's get to the break. Pack number 1. Kyle Los, Evan Gattis, Bronson Arroyo, Yasiel Puig N174, Tony Perez Mini, and Miguel Cabrera. Card number 1. Christian Bethancourt rookie, Henderson Alvarez, Eric Johnson, Paul Goldschmidt debut All-Stars insert, Willie Stargell mini, regular, and Jonathan Scope rookie. Down a bit. Gene Segura, Lance Lynn, Koji Uehara, Max Scherzer, dealing aces, insert, Homer Bailey mini, regular, and Deion Sanders. Anibal Sanchez, Jason Worth, Aaron Hill, Ivan Rodriguez, and a black mini of Andre Ethier out of 199, 25 of 199. And Travis Giarno, rookie. And the Pudge is a short print. Card 330. Tim Lincecum, J.J. Hardy, Avisel Garcia, Mariano Rivera, N174, Jonathan Villar, yeah, mini, and Brandon Phillips. Andre Ethier, Marco Scudero, Adam Lind, Steel Puig Glove Stories, and a red, looks like Evan Longoria. Yep. Red Evan Longoria out of 99. 92 of 99. Get about one of those per blaster. And Xander Bogaerts rookie. 2 packs left. Todd Frazier, Nick Franklin, Tommy Malone, dealing aces Yu Darvish, and Marcelo Ozuna mini, just a regular, and Nolan Arenado. And last pack. James Loney, Jared Parker, Clayton Kershaw, debut All-Stars, Matt Carpenter. Yeah, Matt Carpenter. Johnny Gomes, regular, and Justin Verlander. And the Carpenter is a short print. And that'll round out that blaster. Carpenter and the Pudge short prints, which the short prints are... Where are they? 1 of 4, so you get 2 per box. I don't think there was any reverse image in here. Yeah, I don't think there's any reverse ones. Nope, all base. And I believe these were all regular minis. Alright.